Hello all, welcome to our channel. I'm a Kaggle Master and Junior Data Scientist guys. In this video, we will learn how we have to set up and how we have to install a Rasa in our local system. You know, Rasa is a very good platform where we have to build any types of chatbot. Okay, so let's start our today agenda guys. So when we install a Rasa in our local system, it needs some of the software guys. So let's first of all install important software. So first of all, we have to import Anaconda guys. So just simply write download Anaconda and go to the first link. And you have to download the Anaconda from here. From here guys, sorry. Here. Okay. 32-bit and 64-bit. Depends on your system configuration. Just download this Anaconda. I already downloaded this guys. Okay. So I just open my Anaconda Pro. Okay. See, I already downloaded. I just open my Anaconda Pro. After downloading Anaconda Pro and after installing Anaconda, you have to download one more thing. This exe file. You have to download the C++ Visual Residual. I just show you where you have to download. Just search on the Google and go to the here first link, support.microsoft.com. First link, and go to here and download this exe file, 64-bit. Okay, I already downloaded and installed it in my system. Okay, so first you have to download the Anaconda 64-bit and 32-bit, depends on your system configuration. Second, download this 64-bit guys exe file and install it in your system. Okay, after installing both those things, then you have to create a one folder in your system. You have to create a anywhere. I just create a in my screen, in my desktop. Okay, so demo chatbot. Okay, I just created a one folder from my desktop. Okay, after creating a folder, you have to create a new environment in your Anaconda project. Okay, so for this, just write conda create -n. You can write any name from here, guys. Okay, you can write. See, I just show you how we have to create a new environment. How to create a new env in Anaconda. I'll show you the code. From here, see, conda create name -n and your env list, env, my environment name. So I just write chatbot, demo chatbot. Okay, and Python equal to I just write a Python version 3.6.9. Okay, conda create -n, write your environment name, Python equal to 3.6.9. Okay, and just hit the enter. Start the installation guys. Start the installation and start creating a new environment. We have to create here a new environment. Okay, so first thing we have to download this, depends on your system configuration, 64-bit and 34-bit. Second, you have to download this exe file. Okay, then you have to create a new folder in your local system. Create a new folder in your local system. After that, create a new environment in your Anaconda project. Hit the Y, yes, and after that, it's creating new environment is done, guys. Within a second, it takes few second times, depends on your internet connectivity or your internet speed. Okay, after that it will be done. After creating a new environment, see, after creating a new environment, we have to set the path. We have to set the path using the cd. Okay, so see, our environment is created, so let's activate this environment. So activating this environment, just write conda activate. I just copy from here, just write same code conda activate demo chatbot. Okay, and hit the enter. Demo chatbot, what is demo chatbot? Demo chatbot, we have to create our environment from here. Okay, demo chatbot. Okay, next our new environment is creating. We have to activate this environment. Let's set the path. So let's set the path. I just see this is our path. Just copy from here. This is the path I just created in my desktop. I just created a new folder. Chatbot where I just show you demo chatbot. Okay, so this is the empty folder, guys. Okay, so I just copy from this path and paste in the Anaconda prompt. Just write cd space and paste your path here. Paste your path and hit the enter. So see, your path will be activated here. Okay, previously we have to in a Siva drive, but now in C drive we have a demo chatbot folder. Okay, after that we have to install some of the library. Okay, first we have to install the UJSON, conda install UJSON. Make sure you have to write the same version, guys. Make sure you have to write the same version. Conda install 2.0.3 and hit the enter. Okay, then you're starting your installation, guys. See, collecting all the packages. Okay, so it's start the installation. Just hit the Y, yes, and hit the enter. Okay. See, our installation is done, guys. See, preparing transaction done, verifying done, and executing done. Okay. After installing the UJSON, install the TensorFlow. Conda install TensorFlow. Make sure you have to write a correct version 2.1.0. Okay. 2.1.0. Hit the enter. Conda install TensorFlow. First, we have to install UJSON. Second, we have to install a TensorFlow. Okay. TensorFlow library takes some time for the installation, guys, because it's a library and it depends upon your internet connectivity. Okay, so it takes few seconds time. Just hit the Y, yes. See, this is a TensorFlow based 35 MB. Okay, it takes few second time for the installing. And please do subscribe my channel, guys. Please do support. Please subscribe my channel. I have already uploaded few of the NLP videos and machine learning videos. You can also check from here. Okay, so please do subscribe my channel. Okay, so installation is done for the first base part. It takes few seconds, guys. Depends on your internet connectivity mainly. So just wait few seconds. And yes, guys, going forward, I just continue this playlist, mainly this Rasa chatbot, NLP, and computer vision playlist. I will try to continue this playlist. I have already downloaded some of the videos. So see, our installation is going on. It takes few seconds more. Preparing transaction done, verifying transaction is going on. Just few seconds it takes. After it will be done. So yeah, verifying transaction is done. It's executing now, and after that it will be done. Just wait few seconds more. So the first step, you have to download this Anaconda. Depends on your version, 64-bit and 34-bit. Then you have to download this exe file. Download this exe file. Just search on the Google. This, I'll just show you. Just search on the Google Visual C++ Residual. Okay, Visual C++ Residual, and click on the first link. Click on the first link, then you get a .exe file, guys, from here, 64-bit. Okay, let's see, it's done. Okay, it's going on. Okay, so going on, it takes few seconds more for the executing. Yeah, our TensorFlow installation is done, guys. Let's install our Rasa. Okay, first we have to install the UJSON. Second, we have to install the TensorFlow. Third, we have to install the Rasa. Pip install Rasa equal to 1.1.0. 1.10.0. Okay, and hit the enter. It takes few minutes, guys, because Rasa is a heavy model, so it takes few minutes time for the installation. Requirements are already satisfied. See, SciPy is already satisfied. Some of the requirements are already updated because we have already installed our TensorFlow library. Okay, so some of the installation are already done. It takes few minutes time for the installing, guys. See, our installation is going on. Okay, fine. So going on, guys. And yes, guys, if you want to explore in the NLP, then you can check my NLP Advanced NLP playlist. Currently, I have uploaded 3 videos only, but going forward, I will try to upload all the videos, complete the roadmap to NLP Expert, detailed explanation of NLP explanation, detailed explanation of NLP libraries, and then basics of Python, mainly pre-processing stage. And going forward, I will try to upload a TF vectorization and mega word as well as a word to vec, glove, and transformer based model. Okay, I already recorded some of the videos. We'll try to upload soon all the videos. Okay, so just wait few seconds, guys. See, after successfully installation is done. Successfully installation is done. It takes few seconds. Depends on your internet connectivity. Okay. So depends on your internet connectivity. It takes few seconds, guys. Okay, so it's going on. Make sure, guys, before installing the Rasa, you have to install the UJSON as well as a TensorFlow. Okay, and make sure you have to use the same version. For the UJSON, you have to use a 2.0.3, and for the Conda, you have to use a 2.1.0. Okay, it takes few seconds more. Installation is going on. Just wait few seconds. After that, it will be done. Now, yeah, guys, it takes time, depends on your internet connectivity. Actually, today my internet connectivity is too slow. Okay, so it takes few seconds more for installing all those things. Just wait few seconds, after that it will be done. And if you want any types of videos, guys, related to data science or career transition, then you can write in the chat box. I will try to upload those videos in my YouTube channel. If you want any types of video, just write in the comment section related to only data science mainly. Data science, stats, anything. Okay, so it takes few more seconds. Yeah, so finally it's done, guys. Finally it's done. Okay, so now see, first we have to install the Vue.json, then second we have to install the TensorFlow, third we have to install the Rasa. Okay, now train our Rasa model. Okay, so just write Rasa init and hit the enter. Okay, after writing the Rasa init, just hit the enter, and it takes some time for training your model. Okay, it takes some time for training your model, guys. Just wait few seconds. After that, it will be done. See, our installation is done. Just write yes. Please enter a path where the project will be created. Default current directory means it's writing a default current directory. Then just write yes. Make sure you have to set your path. Do not exist the path. Current path, yes. I want a current path. Do you want to train the initial model? Do you want to train and the initial model? Then yes. Hit the enter. Okay. See, our training model will be executing. Training and the initial model, training core model will be executing it. So it takes few seconds, and make sure before entering yes or no, you have to read this description, guys. Okay. Process story blocks, it will be executed 100%. It takes few more seconds. After that, it will be done. Just wait few seconds. See, our training will be going on. Epoch size, epoch on going on. 16, 17, 20, 25, 6, 31, 35. It will be fast. 45, 50, 5, 7, 63, 70, 75, 80. Yeah, it's going to be fast. Yeah, 100% completed. Rasa NLU model application entity, but no entity are the pergent. Make sure the training will be entities. Okay. So it takes few seconds more for executing everything successfully. And see, guys, it will be using the Rasa regex, regular expression, Lexier, count factorizer, factorizer, DIET classifier during the training. Okay. So for the second epoch, it will be completed, and see, NLU model training will be completed. Okay. After that, it will be showing the chat. Do you want to speak the train assistant to the command line? Then hit the enter. Yes. Just enter Y, then it will be done. Start the Rasa serving on here. Just allow yes. Click on here. Okay. So your input, how are you? I just write sad. Okay, here is the something to cheer up you. Okay, so just copy this and paste on the Google. So see, it's sending me the one images. First, it's giving me the input. Hey, how are you? Then I just enter the sad. Then it's giving me the output. Here is the something to cheer up you. Images is this. Did that help you? Yes. I just write yes and hit the enter. See, it will be the output. Great, carry on. I just write thank you. And it will be done. Okay. After thank you, it's writing a bye. Okay. So see, guys, Rasa, this is a very good and this is a beautiful platform where you have to build any types of chatbot related to healthcare domain, related to education domain, any types of chatbot, guys. Okay. So, guys, this is all about the today agenda, guys. This is our first video where I show you the installation part, and going forward, we will also upload some of the video related to a training purpose, how you have to train your custom with your custom data, how you have to build your own chatbot regarding to any education domain or healthcare domain or any types of domain, guys. Okay, so guys, that's all about in this video. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you all.